His name is Dan. He got a cooking channel. It's a cooking show.
Welcome to an all-new episode of Edible Eds. Hey everybody, happy Friday. How's it going? Hoping y'all are doing real good, staying healthy and safe. I'm gonna work really hard to earn your subscription to my channel, just in case you haven't already subscribed.
He's making tofu, fried tofu. Be careful.
Okay.
And if you don't know who I am,
I haven't a clue what's going on here, but I'll act like I do.
my name is Edible Ed and I make delicious dishes for you, your family, and everyone else you want to cook for. On today's all-new episode of Edible Eds, I'm going to be making something very delicious with the help of a special friend.
1, 2, 3.
I've partnered up with Saval Foods to make this episode. They sent me over some of their award-winning delicious corned beef hash, and if you know me,
Alright, Hank. If this is the hill you want to die on, I'll fight your brat. Come on, Bobby boy, let's rumble!
That's my purse! I don't know you!
I love me some corned beef.
Mom? Are you okay? What was that? Good beef!
Especially some corned beef hash. What is there not to love? It's delicious corned beef, delicious spices, and delicious potatoes. But I want to kick it up a notch.
Alright, open.
Yeah, lower out. Away from Stefan.
Okay, the funnel cakes are. We're cooking the grease.
Okay, I'm gonna just.
Lift it.
This is how you. They're still on fire. It is?
So I decided to make corned beef hash breakfast tachos. What does that even mean, you might be asking me? I'm gonna make some delicious crispy air fried tater tots, put some of that delicious corned beef hash on there, some delicious soft scrambled eggs.
Oh, here I'm making my dinner. I need an egg. Oh, here's some eggs. Oh, they're so beautiful. I gotta be careful. I'm gonna put this one here. No, oh my, oh, whew, I love you.
Instead of some nacho cheese, I'm gonna be putting delicious hollandaise sauce, finish it off with a little bit of cheese and some chives, and the kicker, figuratively and literally, my chipotle sauce.
Spicy meat.
So how about I stop talking and start cooking so we can get our breakfast tacho on, yeah. Let's get this recipe going. I have my awesome air fryer preheated and I'm loading in some tater tots and cooking them at 400 degrees for 12 minutes. Bye, I love you. I have my saute pan preheated on high and I'm dropping in some Wagyu beef tallow for some awesome beefy flavor. Add in Saval's hash and press down. We want to crisp and caramelize the hash. Add Edible Ed magic dust. Mix to combine. This will cook for about 6 minutes, stirring occasionally. In a beautiful bowl, crack a couple eggs like a boss. Whisk. Slide bowl completely off your counter. I have another pan preheated on medium. Add a great amount of butter. Swirl coating the pan. Add beaten eggs, some Monterey Jack, and edible ed magic dust. Mix to combine. Pull the eggs from the heat after cooking for about 1 minute. Hollandaise time. I have 1 yolk in a cup. Add edible ed magic dust, water, and lemon juice. Use a beautiful immersion blender to blend in melted stick of butter. Blend for about 1 minute until thickened and smooth. Mmm, delicious. Time to assemble. Tater tots, corned beef hash, scrambled eggs, hollandaise, chipotle sauce, some chives. Finish it off with more cheese. Ooh, yeah, that looks so good, so delicious. I want to eat. Is it time to eat? It's almost time to eat because I'm so hungry. I want to eat. Let's eat the Hey, Emma Bites, what's up? Who's that guy?
His name is Eddie Bear, and he got his hearing aids.
Oh, what's up, Eddie Bear?
Earrings.
All right, welcome to Edible Eds. Whoa, I see he's a fan of the show. He's got an Edible Ed shirt.
Because he's from your guys' merch.
Today I have an announcement. I just dropped my merch. We have shirts, pillows and curtains. It's super cheap. It's only $5 million.
We make awesome stuff like this. So, you know what you guys could do, but not right now. You guys, after this video, or after as many videos as you watch, you could go to our merch shop and get an Eddie Bear or a teddy bear for yourself.
That's awesome. Yeah, thanks, Emma Bites. Are you and Eddie Bear ready for some Eddie Bear and Emma Bites?
Yes.
All right.
What is that?
It was dinner.
What was that? Okay, Eddie Bear, you don't have to copy everything I'm saying.
Well, he was just excited, just like you were.
Yeah, but he was. You know, when I went to bed, I was snoring. He heard me and he snored.
Yeah, because he was tired.
You could definitely taste that delicious corned beef hash and those eggs. Eggs. Edible Ed sure does know his eggs from his egg roll to his eggs. Edible Ed sure knows how eggs roll. Serious conversation. Thanks for watching this episode of Edible Ed. Special thanks to Saval Food for providing us that delicious corned beef hash. We are gonna go eat, so make sure you stay tuned so you guys can see and hear and whatever you do with so you know what Edible Ed would do. I want to go eat my delicious corned beef hash. So thank you, Saval Foods. See you later, alligator and a wild crocodile. But we're going to eat. Bye. Adios, amigo.
It's time for some Ed Bites. Whoa, check out this delicious plate of food. Whoa, those tachos look so good. My mouth is all kind of watering.
Say goodbye. Say goodnight. Goodbye, cruel world. Uh-oh, that's a problem.
Time for some Ed Bites. Whoa, get a little bit of everything in that first bite, guys. This dish really messes with your head because you're looking at it and you're thinking,
okay, this is gonna be a savory dish. It's gonna taste like nachos. And I know what nachos taste like.
but I fooled you. Because they don't taste like traditional nachos because they're not. They're Edible Ed's corned beef hash totchos. Corned beef! That corned beef is so delicious, perfectly cooked, nice crisp exterior, but still juicy on the inside.
Yo, what's with that?
The crispy tater tots, of course, are the perfect base for this. Then I put those delicious cheese-infused soft scrambled eggs on top of that, with that ooh so creamy, dreamy, delicious hollandaise. Finish it off with some chipotle sauce and then a little bit extra cheese, because they are tachos after all. I will see you later. Thanks for watching this all new episode of Edible Eds. Appreciate every single one of you. And I hope that I earned your subscription if you haven't already subscribed. I do good work here, guys. Yeah, check me out. You can also head to edibleeds.com to learn even more about me, buy some cool merch. It is the holiday season. Go shop some Edible Ed merch for your family and friends. Spread that love like butter. Thanks for watching this all new episode, and I will see you here next week. Thanks everybody, have a good one, stay healthy and safe. I'll catch you later, tachos.
I said taste. I said taste. I take from Edible Eds work to his egg world. Edible Eds. Edible Eds sure do how.
Edible Ed sure knows how eggs roll.
Edible Eds sure do. Edible Ed sure does know how eggs roll. Edible Ed sure do.
Sure does.